Hi, today I'm going to introduce you to Bika.ai agent called Twitter Manager. If you often want to share content on Twitter, but feel your captions aren't engaging enough, or you simply don't know what to write, this agent can help you out. It can search news across the internet, and it can also post tweets directly using your account. Pretty convenient. Now, let's take a look at how this agent works. Since posting tweets requires access to your Twitter account, you'll need to do a little setup before you start chatting with the agent. From the top right menu, open the agent's edit panel. Here you can change the AI model and the initial prompt. For this agent, two key skills are used: search page and create tweets. The create tweets skill, as the name suggests, is our ultimate goal, letting the agent draft and post tweets. To do that, we need to authorize the agent with your Twitter account. Open the skill set selector and enter your Twitter API keys. These keys come from the Twitter developer platform. That means you'll need a developer account. Don't worry. We have a step-by-step guide in Bika's Help Center. Under Twitter integration, that article explains everything you need to configure. First, log into the Twitter developer platform. Then, go to your dashboard. Click on App Settings. Then Setup. Since the agent needs to create tweets, you must grant read and write access. In fact, choose the highest level: read, write, and direct message. For app type, select Web App. In the app info section, callback URL and website URL are required. You can copy the values from our Help Center documentation. Then, click Save. After saving, you'll see Oath 2.0 credentials, but the agent doesn't need those. Enter them. Next, go to Keys and Tokens. Here you'll need for values: API key secret, access token, and access token secret. Click Generate for the API key, copy it, and paste it into the panel. Click Save. Next, do the same for access token and secret. Click to generate them. And confirm the connection. At this point, your Twitter integration is fully configured. As you can see, we only enabled the create tweet skill. Other skills aren't needed for this agent right now. Click OK. Then save. Now, let's put our tweet manager to work. For example, the Gemini 2.5 Flash image model is trending online. We can ask the agent to gather news about it and draft a tweet. As you can see, the agent follows the workflow we set. It searches the web, summarizes the information, and creates a short tweet. If you're happy with it, you can publish directly. The agent will then call the create tweet skill, and look, the tweet is live. Click Expand to view the skill's execution details. You'll also find a link to the published tweet. And here it is, posted directly from your account. That's the full tutorial. If you'd like to experience this efficient way of tweeting, head over to Bika.ai. Visit the Template Center where you'll find lots of ready-made templates. Twitter Manager, your digital assistant, is free to install and use.